Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Vpcok Direct is probably one of the most versatile and innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of convenience and functionality that can truly revolutionize the way you prepare meals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this device promises to simplify complex tasks, reduce cooking times, and elevate the overall quality of your culinary creations, making it an indispensable tool for any modern kitchen. Get ready to discover how this single appliance can transform your cooking experience from mundane to magnificent. Number 5. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0. Never over or undercook your food again. This device circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. Sous vide cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for a variety of foods. It locks in flavor and moisture, resulting in texture and taste that is second to none. This compact device stows away easily, keeping your counters uncluttered. It attaches to any stock pot and is constructed of durable, easy-to-clean plastic. Control your cooking directly on the device or through the free Anova app. Precision is always within reach. Access exclusive educational content, cooking guides, and recipes from professional chefs through the app. Enjoy continuous access to your personal recipes and cook history. Experience the ultimate sous vide educational content and cooking guides with a 2-week free trial. Cancel your subscription anytime. What we like. If you have limited counter space, this compact cooker is perfect for you. It easily attaches to any pot and stores away neatly. If you like a tidy kitchen and precise cooking, this is the one to consider. What people say. This simple to use, highly reliable, and extremely effective kitchen tool is one everyone needs to have in their arsenal. The temp has always been pretty accurate. It holds temperature within 0.1 F, which is perfect for cooking steaks medium rare or pork around the 140 F range. The results are consistently tender and juicy, and it's easy to set up and use. Number 4. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0. Never over or undercook your food again. This device circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. Explore endless cooking options with sous vide. It's ideal for chicken, fish, beef, and more, locking in flavor and moisture for unparalleled texture and taste. Get cooking quicker than ever. It heats water faster and holds temperature precisely, easily attaching to any pot and featuring water resistance for peace of mind. Access thousands of free recipes in the app, created for all skill levels by award-winning chefs and home cooks alike. It's designed to inspire your culinary adventures. Take command of your cooking directly on the device or through the intuitive app. Monitor your progress and adjust settings from anywhere using your smartphone. With precise temperature control and a vast recipe library, achieving restaurant-quality meals at home has never been easier. Experience the difference it makes. What we like. If you want to monitor your cooking from anywhere, this Wi-Fi-enabled cooker is ideal. It heats water faster and offers thousands of free recipes. If you appreciate convenience and smart home integration, this is your best bet. What people say. This Anova unit is great. It is simple to set up and adjust the settings. The primary function of this product is to maintain a constant water temperature for hours at a time, and it does it perfectly. Circulator works very well and is a great value. Compared to the Anova Pro, it is much quieter, yet offers very comparable performance. Heats water quickly and accurately holds temperature. No problems with extended use, 24+ hours. Good design and easy to fit to any sous vide container. I compared to the Jewel, which is definitely slicker looking, supposedly a bit quieter, and a more impressive app. It also seemed quite fun to use Alexa to control it. What my choice came down to though was that the Jewel requires the app, can't just set the temp and start cooking from the cooker. Number 3. SOUSVIDE Art Sous Vide Cooker Kit. Experience chef-quality meals right at home. This immersion circulator ensures consistent, even cooking, locking in flavor, nutrients, and tenderness every time. Get everything you need to start cooking delicious, restaurant-quality meals. This complete kit includes the cooker, bags, pump, and a helpful cookbook. Achieve perfectly cooked food with ease. The user-friendly LED touch panel allows you to set accurate time and temperature for steaks, chicken, vegetables, and more. Keep your kitchen clean and tidy. The removable tube makes cleaning simple, and its quiet operation and compact size saves space on your countertops. Enjoy healthier meals without extra oils. It retains more nutrients, allowing you to effortlessly create endless dishes from tender steaks to juicy vegetables. What we like. If you're new to sous vide or want a hassle-free start, this complete kit is for you. It includes everything you need, from the circulator to vacuum bags. If you're looking for an easy, all-inclusive package to begin your sous vide journey, this is a great choice. What people say. The sous vide wand itself is awesome. It is easy to use, the digital readout is easy to see, and so far, it has worked perfectly. The sous vide gets the water up to temp very quickly. So quickly, in fact, that I was surprised. It takes my gas stove a lot longer and that temp is not regulated. The food I'm producing tastes wonderful. The more I use it, the more I think about what else I can cook apart from what's in the recipe book. Number 2. Sous Vide Machine 1000W Immersion Circulator. Experience food like never before. Our sous vide machine locks in nutrients and moisture, delivering more flavorful results than traditional cooking methods. Achieve perfect results every time. It accurately controls cooking time and temperature, based on extensive food testing. Easily monitor your cooking progress. A red light indicates heating, green means it's reached the set temperature, and blue signals completion. This powerful 1000W device offers a wide temperature range and can be set for up to 99 hours, giving you ultimate flexibility. Enjoy perfectly cooked food thanks to its efficient 360-degree water circulation. This ensures a constant temperature, preserving the integrity of your ingredients. What we like. If you value precise control and clear feedback, this cooker is an excellent option. Its visual indicators make it easy to track the cooking status. If you enjoy having precise control over your cooking process and appreciate clear indicators, this is the one for you. What people say. The accurate temperature and time control are incredibly reliable. It's a huge plus because nobody wants to guess if their steak is done when you can lock in the exact degree for a consistent, flavorful result. The clear light ring indicator is a total game changer. It glows red while heating, turns green when it hits the target, and blue when the cook is finished, making it a breeze to monitor your progress from across the room. The 360-degree water circulation works is just really smooth. It keeps the temperature uniform throughout the container so the food fibers aren't destroyed. The motor runs quietly, you can barely hear it working. The timer doesn't start until the temperature is reached, which is perfect for me. The rings that indicate heating are very helpful. Good water circulation. Number 1. 12.6 quart sous vide container with lid and rack. This is your ultimate sous vide companion, designed to integrate cooking, storage, and heat preservation. It works seamlessly with most immersion circulators on the market. Our unique rack allows you to adjust the height of your food, ensuring even heating every time. The included lid further helps to minimize heat loss during cooking. Crafted from high-quality, heat-resistant materials, this container is built to last. It's shatterproof, durable, and incredibly convenient for all your cooking needs. With a wide temperature range from -45 to 135 degrees Celsius, it can handle any sous vide recipe. The convenient handles allow for easy transport and prevent accidental burns. This container is the optimal combination for your sous vide cooker, offering a more professional and enjoyable cooking experience. Achieve perfect results with ease. What we like. If you're looking for a dedicated setup that enhances your sous vide experience, this container is perfect. It integrates functions for holding the cooker and food, plus it retains heat well. If you want to optimize your sous vide cooking with a specialized container that works with most circulators, this is a great addition. What people say. The new design is worth buying because it gives you the advantage of both holding and keeping food down. Works great. Love that it holds food completely submerged. Tight fit for circulator. It has a shelf that is actually designed to hold your food under the water, and that is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.